The next is flip-flop conversions. Flip-flop conversions. It is possible to convert one flip-flop into another with some additional circuits. So in order to convert one flip-flop into another flip-flop, these steps to be followed. First one, write the excitation table. Then simplify excitation table using KMAP. Then draw the logic diagram. These are the 3 steps to be followed. You just note down these steps. Write the heading flip-flop conversions. Then write the steps for performing flip-flop conversions. Okay, flip-flop conversions. One flip-flop can be converted into another one, some additional circuits. And these are the steps to be followed. Write the excitation table. Then step 2, to simplify the excitation table using KMAP. Then draw the logic diagram. First, you write the question. Convert. Write down, note it down. Convert SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. Convert SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. Okay, now you listen here. So, conversion of SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. We are having an SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop, block diagram of SR flip-flop is like this. This is an SR flip-flop. It will have 2 inputs, S and R. Outputs, Q and Q. This is the flip-flop which we are having. Now we have to convert this SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. We have to convert SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. For a T flip-flop, there will be only one input, which is the T input. So, the required flip-flop should be like this. There should be only one input, which is the T input. And the output should be Q and Q bar. So, we have to, our aim is to draw the diagram in between here. Okay. So, what should be here? This is the question. In order to find out, we require Boolean expressions for S and R in terms of T. We require Boolean expressions for S and R in terms of T. If we know the relation between S and T, draw the corresponding logic diagram and connect between T and S. Similarly, if we know the relation between T and R, draw the corresponding logic diagram and give it to the R input of SR flip-flop. This is what we have to do. Okay. Convert SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. For that, our aim in the we have to write the Boolean expressions for S and R. We can draw the logic diagram corresponding to a T flip-flop. How will we get these equations for S and R? For getting that equations, what was the first step in flip-flop conversion? What was the first step? Write the excitation table. Okay. Okay, let's write the excitation table. Let's write the excitation table for T flip-flop. Because we have to write the expression for S and R. So S and R should come to output side. Okay. First, let's write the excitation table for a T flip-flop. So T flip-flop, there will be T input. Then we have to consider Qn also. Then Qn plus 1 is required. Okay. T input may be 0 or 1. If T input is 0, what will be Qn plus 1? Will be exactly same as Qn.
Bar.
That when T input is 0, Qn plus 1 will be same as Qn. Okay. Now Qn may be either 0 or 1. Okay. If Qn is 0, next output Qn1 will also be 0. Alla T input is 0, Qn is 1. Anganeyanankilo next input is 1. Similarly, Tn may be 1 also with Qn 0 and with Qn 1. Okay. Tn 1 with Qn 0. Then what will be Qn plus 1?
1.
What will be here?
0.
Okay. See. Now, let's consider the flip-flop inputs S and R. We have to convert it into SR flip-flop. So, flip-flop inputs. Next column for flip-flop inputs. We are having an SR flip-flop. So, there will be two inputs S and R. Okay. Now, Qn is known. Qn plus 1 is also known. Then what should be the values for S and R? Qn 0, Qn plus 1, 0. Then from the excitation table, it is 0, 1. Okay. In the second row, Qn plus 1 is also 1. Then